In this demonstration, we will be focusing on how to manage your cross-reference table inside the client portal. First, go to B2BGateway.net and log into your client portal. Once you are logged into the client portal, navigate to the menu on the left and click on Cross-Reference. This page will allow you to add item information as it appears in your system. You can also reference your trading partner item information as well as any other key item identifiers. To start, click on the drop-down menu to view your item information for the selected trading partner. You will be defaulted to the View Item List page where you can remove or edit current list items. Please note that the column names can be customized to fit your needs. To edit an item, navigate to the Settings tab and click on the checkbox which will allow you to edit that field column. By clicking or unclicking this checkbox, this will allow you to lock selected columns or edit them as necessary. Remember to click Save Changes as needed. To add a new item, click the Add Item tab on the top of the screen and add the number of items you wish to add and click Submit. Please note that this is asking for the number of items you wish to add, not the item number or item code. Fill out the appropriate fields for each item, keeping in mind that not all fields will be applicable. To find an item, click on the Find Item tab located at the top. Enter your search terms and click Submit. You can export your cross-reference table to a CSV by clicking Export to CSV. You can also import a CSV file to add to your cross-reference table by clicking on Import CSV and choosing a file you wish to import. You can also download a CSV template by clicking on the Download Import CSV template on the top left. Please keep in mind that if you do download the CSV template to add to your cross-reference table, all columns and column names need to match your current cross-reference table in order to successfully add the new items. If you see a column that does not apply to you, please just leave it blank. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.